Entering the world of industrial wood manufacturing. Step inside one of the largest industrial wood factories in the world. This is where raw timber begins its transformation from natural material into precision-engineered components used in high-end furniture production. This is not a traditional woodworking shop. This is a fully automated manufacturing ecosystem. As processed wood materials arrive, they are immediately placed onto an automated conveyor system. Each wooden sheet is scanned, identified, and logged into a centralized digital database. Barcodes, optical sensors, and tracking systems verify the origin, size, and specifications of every piece. From this moment on, each panel carries its own digital identity. The factory floor is massive. High ceilings, bright industrial LED lighting, clean, organized production lanes. Everything here is designed for efficiency, accuracy, and scale. And at the heart of it all, automation takes over.
Bring it back slowly, watch your left side. Okay, hold it right there and set the brake.
So this discrepancy here is accounted for in the shipment update?
Yes, I verified the serial numbers on the lumber. Everything checks out.
Robotics and laser precision. At the center of the factory, powerful robotic systems go to work. Industrial robotic arms lift large wooden sheets effortlessly, feeding them smoothly into high-end CNC cutting machines. Every movement is programmed, every position is precise, there is no wasted motion. Before cutting begins, each panel passes through a laser-guided measurement system. Red laser beams scan the surface, checking thickness and consistency in real time. Any material that fails to meet exact tolerances is automatically removed. Only perfectly calibrated wood moves forward. This level of precision ensures consistency across thousands of components, every single day. Here, accuracy is not optional. It is the foundation of the entire process. CNC machine, where wood meets engineering. Now, the CNC machines come alive. Cutting blades spin at thousands of revolutions per minute, following digital blueprints with microscopic accuracy. The wood is cut, drilled, and shaped into precise components. Each movement calculated down to fractions of a millimeter. High-speed cameras capture every cut in real time, allowing engineers to monitor performance instantly. Wood chips fly. Dust is extracted immediately by industrial vacuum systems. What remains is precision. Raw timber is no longer just wood. It becomes engineered material, ready for assembly. This is the core of the factory, where design becomes reality. Sorting, cleaning, and quality control. Once machining is complete, automated conveyor belts take over. Finished wooden components are sorted by size, shape, and function, then dropped into designated collection bins. Sensors ensure nothing is mixed up. Every piece goes exactly where it belongs. Before moving forward, industrial vacuum systems clean every surface, removing even the finest dust particles. The natural wood grain becomes visible, clean, smooth. Next comes quality inspection. Technicians use digital calipers to measure every critical dimension. Each result is recorded and stored. Only components that meet strict standards continue. Consistency is everything. Sanding and robotic surface protection. Approved components move into the sanding section. Large industrial sanding machines operate at constant speed, smoothing each surface evenly. Fine dust is immediately extracted, leaving a flawless finish. After sanding, the wood enters a controlled coating chamber. Robotic arms apply a protective layer with perfect consistency. Spray patterns are precise. Coating thickness is uniform. This protective finish shields the wood from moisture, wear, and time, while enhancing its natural beauty. Automation ensures that every single piece receives the exact same treatment. No variation, no compromise. Warehouse storage and traceability. Once processing is complete, the wood components are transferred to a massive storage warehouse. Stacks of finished wood are arranged in clean, symmetrical rows. Every section is clearly labeled and digitally tracked. Advanced inventory systems allow instant access to any component, at any moment. Before leaving storage, each piece is labeled with a barcode. Workers scan and verify data, linking every component to its production history. From raw timber to final furniture, every step is traceable. This level of control is essential for global manufacturing standards. The big picture, industrial wood at its highest level. From above, the entire factory operates like a living system. Robotic arms, CNC machines, conveyor lines, skilled workers, all moving in perfect rhythm. Nothing is random, nothing is wasted. Each wooden component passes through dozens of controlled steps before becoming part of premium furniture like luxury sofas. This is modern industrial woodworking at its highest level. Not just machines, not just craftsmanship, but a precise balance of technology, engineering, and human oversight. And this is where the world's finest wooden furniture begins.
nie pogodnia, будто відкрилась как нічзем не видела білеті пуцем, а слопному плані, могутному буснику одягакедів на співвибійні.